Hello, I'm John Paul and I'm here at Range Rover Brothers this morning to check out the suspension problem on this Range Rover L322. Now you will need some diagnostic equipment for this. We've plugged it in, we've found out the problem is the right hand rear level sensor, which is this part here. So we're going to set it up in the air, change it, then check it out, make sure it's all okay. I've got the vehicle in the air now, and where this level valve is situated is on the right hand rear suspension arm, the lower arm there. It's just above it, just on the front, near the front pin there. So we'll need a 13mm socket and spanner to take off the lower nut and bolt mounting bracket for the actual arm itself. They need a 4mm Allen key to take off the two little set screws that go into the actual valve block itself, into those two holes there. So we'll just do that now. Get our socket and our spanner. Take off the lower mounting bolt. There's a fair chance you'll have to change that for a new one because it will be corroded, so you just need a new M8 nut and bolt. Quite easy to get hold of. And then use your 4mm Allen key to take off the two set screws into the valve block itself. And once this is out of the way, we'll just lower it down so we can get the electrical plug off the top. It's a little bit easier to do once it's out the mounting bracket of itself. Now, there's two little lugs where the electrical plug goes onto. You're meant to just push the two release clips in so that it pulls out and then you can take it off, but they do get a little bit tight, so you might have to slip a screwdriver under each side just to lift it out from those little lugs there. You just have to be a little bit careful. They do get very brittle, so they might snap, but just be careful, and then you should take it off and then we can fit the new one. Refitting the new sensor is pretty much reverse of what we've just done to take it off, so put it back up into place, refit your mounting set screws. Might just have to pull the arm down a little bit to get to the top one, so just pull it down like that so you can find the hole. That's those two in, and we've got a new nut and bolt for the lower arm, so we'll pop that through there. New washer and a nylock nut. You don't over tighten that too much. It wants to be tight, but obviously it is only a little bit of plastic, so you don't want to be doing it too tight. Tighten the lower one up, tighten the top two up again, and then get a little electrical socket and click it into place. You'll hear when it's in place because it goes with a nice little click. And that's it. We need to just clear the faults with our diagnostic equipment, check the suspension works okay, no faults come on the dashboard, and then we're finished.